Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can face swap video in Capcut. So the first step you need to do is to open Capcut, and once you open Capcut, you simply need to click on the templates. So wait for a few seconds, let me skip this and click on templates, and here you need to search on the top face swap. So click here, and here you can see a bunch of different templates that you can use. So for example, for this video I'm going to select this one, click on use template, and you need to upload your image. So I'm going to select this image, click on next, wait for a few seconds so that it will be added. So now you can see that sometimes it's not look good, so you need to check, and you need to make different, you can use different templates from here, and what works best for you, you can simply use that in your video according to your choice. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.